Whether you're a kitchen enthusiast or simply love cooking, you can never have enough kitchen gadgets. As there's a wide array of kitchen gadgets, it's time to upgrade your kitchen. So today, we've listed down 20 new amazing kitchen gadgets that are worth a shot.
Are you tired of struggling with food storage during events, catering, or outdoor adventures? The Camu Food Warmer is your ultimate solution. Built with rock-solid 304 stainless steel, this food carrier is tough enough to handle any challenge. Its double-walled design keeps your food at the perfect temperature, warm or cold, for up to 6 hours without electricity, so no more cold meals or spoiled dishes. With a massive 95-quart capacity, you can easily store 6 full-size food pans, making it perfect for restaurants, food trucks, corporate events, or camping trips. Its smart front-loading door opens wide, giving you quick and easy access to your food. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its stain-resistant surface that fights off odors and spills. 4 built-in wheels mean you can move it around effortlessly, while top handles let you lift it comfortably. Whether you're a caterer, restaurant owner, or someone who loves outdoor cooking, this food warmer keeps your meals safe, warm, and ready to serve. Designed to avoid the food danger zone, it ensures your dishes stay at the right temperature, protecting both taste and health. Stackable and space-saving, the Camu Food Warmer is the flexible food storage solution you've been looking for.
When it comes to enhancing the taste of mixed salad, nothing can beat the freshly chopped ginger toppings. And to make this job a breeze, here's the Chef N. With both a peeler and grater, this handy tool will be your ultimate kitchen savior while chopping fresh ginger for your next dish. With its convenient design, you can easily get finely chopped ginger without messing around your countertop. A smart toaster can be a kitchen workhorse when you serve a quick slice of morning toast. So, check out the Taneko toaster to toast your bread. Wondering how? Well, enjoy the right crisp of your bread with its smart display where you can easily control the heat and toasting level. Whether you like slightly soft bread with an omelette or crisp one with jam, this toaster has multiple options to serve delicious toasts right on your demand. Whether it's zucchini noodles, cauliflower rice, or thin apple slices, cutting them is way too time-consuming. So why not take a look at the OXO Tabletop Spiralizer? With 3 different blades, it'll simply get all your cutting jobs like spaghetti cut, fettuccine cut, or ribbon cut done in mere minutes. Besides, its removable blade box keeps blades clean and organized, while the food holder with sharp teeth holds food securely. Replace your bulky traditional toaster with the Black+Decker 2-slice toaster. With 2 extra-wide slots and 3 functions, it easily accommodates thick slices of bread, bagels, and more. So, no more late for work while preparing tasty breakfast. Apart from its quick performance, its 7-shade selections ensure perfect toasting every time. When you get comfortable doing Sous Vide style cooking, you'll love having the Sous Vide container from EVERIE. It has a large container, a collapsible hinged lid, and Sous Vide rack, making it a whole package for you. As it has a plastic lid with a hinge, you can simply remove it or fill it with water when you cook for a long time. The WineZiz Professional Wine Accessories is a wine lover's best friend. This 4-in-1 set gives you a wine pump opener, foil cutter, aerator pourer, and vacuum wine stopper, making it an all-in-one set. Moreover, it comes in a cylindrical shaped box, which will look attractive on its own, and you won't have to gift wrap it. Isn't it bliss to get a cheese cutter that slices, shreds, and stores all together? So let's check out the cheese chopper, which will help you get fresh instant cheese anytime. This multifunctional grater comes with built-in storage space, along with 2 different blades for shredding and slicing cheese. Also, it cuts only a certain amount of cheese that you need, so you can extend the shelf life of your cheese and save it for longer without wasting it. Baking at home gives you the chance to be experimental and create versatile recipes. So, you can try the Ninja Foodi Deluxe Bake Kit, which will be your baking companion for making a cheesy casserole, pizza, bread, and beyond. Its spacious crisper pan's small holes enable air to flow around your food with even heat, so your pizzas and veggies will remain crispy. Plus, this kit's round and loaf pans allow you to fit them in your Ninja Foodi oven so that you can bake round and pound cakes easily. Improve your home baking skills by turning your eyes to this. Do you get teary-eyed while chopping onions with a knife? Worry no more, because the Cuisinart chopper will help chop your veggies and greens safely. This has a stainless steel housing that helps you press through your veggies instantly. Although it's handy, you can use it in multiple ways to chop hard cheese, garlic, ginger, nuts, and plenty more. So now, be smart and transfer your small chopping jobs to the compact-sized helper. While working in the kitchen, you might need different-sized containers for storing cereal, coffee, macaroni, and more. To store better, you can get the Canister Set from GadgetWiz today. This set has 4 stainless steel canisters with glass windows to let you store and easily check whatever you put inside them. Additionally, as these have a smudge-proof black coating, you won't spot any fingerprints while touching them repeatedly. When you wash your appliances, you want them to dry without water stains. So how can you make it happen? Simply wipe them with Zeppoli classic kitchen towels to absorb water instantly. This comes in a package of 15 towels made of pure cotton to help you use them frequently. By using these towels, you can replace several rolls of paper towels. Drinking pure water is as essential as maintaining a good diet and exercising for a healthy lifestyle. You can get the alkaline water pitcher from Naples Naturals and enjoy the purest water for better hydration after your workout. This pitcher can hold 2 liters of filtered water, which means you'll enjoy a standard amount of alkaline water. As it has a high pH level above 9, you'll notice how different its water tastes from tap water. You may use loads of coffee gadgets, but have you considered getting something sturdy to empty your used ground coffee? If yes, then you can go after the Dreamfarm Grind and Stain today. This small plastic box helps you reduce clutter on your counter and easily fits in your dishwasher for easy cleaning. Interestingly, it has a thick and durable rubber sleeve, which allows you to tap on it without making any noise. Now, it will be easy to put away those used up coffee grounds by reaching for this. Whether it's bacon, cheese fries, or crispy baked carrots, it only looks appetizing when you serve it in large pieces. Here comes the pop fry cutter that will help you cut the giant spuds or carrots into strips conveniently. It has 2 stainless steel swappable blades to cut veggies for thick and thin fries. Get large sliced potatoes, zucchini, or beetroot for serving mixed salad or stir-fried veggies. Besides, its super suction strength makes the cutting process faster and easier. Therefore, whenever you need to make basketful fries for the starter, make it a sidekick for your air fryer to get your job done. Cooking in your kitchen means you have to do the dishes afterward. To make it simpler, you can get the Good to Good sponge holder, which has the standard size to keep your sponges, scrubber, and soap dispenser together. This silicone mat is water resistant and flexible, so you can put your washed fruits or veggies on it to strain the water. Plus, its sponge tray protects your sink area from soap residue and keeps your wet sponges off the counter. So now, you can simplify your dishwashing routine by simply going for the standard-sized sponge holder from Good to Good. So, that concludes our list of 20 new amazing kitchen gadgets you will love. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.